Hello lovely people, this is Beena Mathew here and I'm back again with another interesting session. Alright, so if you commit a mistake, what do? We apologize, right? And how do you apologize? Let me guess, you say you're sorry, right? Okay, so however big your mistake is, you just say you're sorry. And that is not right, right? Because the person who's at the receiving end would not feel like, this guy has made a heartfelt apology. No, I don't think so, right? So, in this session, I will be discussing with you different ways to say you're sorry apart from I'm sorry, okay? So, let's get started. So, the first situation is a general situation, okay? So, in this situation, you have made a small mistake or you have hurt someone by saying something, all right? In these situations, you can say, I'm terribly sorry, okay? Or you can say, I'm truly sorry, okay? I'm terribly sorry for what happened. I'm terribly sorry for what happened, okay? Or if you've hurt someone's feeling, you can say, I'm sorry, I didn't mean to hurt you. I'm sorry, I didn't mean to hurt you. You can even say, I'm sorry, I didn't mean to hurt your feelings. I'm sorry, I didn't mean to hurt your feelings. So if you are at the receiving end, you can say, no worries. Or you can say, it's okay, it's all right, okay? It's okay or it's all right, Okay, moving on to the second situation. Now this situation is a little problem. Why? Because you have done a big mistake. You have hurt someone's heart and someone is feeling really bad because of you. So in this situation, I'm sorry does not work. Why? Because the problem is big. So in these situations, you can say phrases like, I'm ashamed of myself. You did something really big and you've hurt someone. And you have to say, I'm ashamed of myself, okay? I'm ashamed of myself. You can even say, I wish I had been more thoughtful. Okay? You can even say, it was my mistake. Please forgive me. It was my mistake. Please forgive me. Oh, this is so nice, right? Rather than saying, I'm sorry. When you say all these kind of things, what happens? The person who's at the receiving end feels really good, right? Oh my God, this is like a heartfelt apology and this guy really means what he's trying to say, right? Okay, so now how do you reply to these kind of responses? Okay, now if you're okay with the apology and you're okay with the guy, then you can say, I understand, it's okay. All right? Another way is, but in this one, you are actually irritated with this person because he's actually made you really mad, and you are waiting for the apology. And when the apology comes in, you can say, you should be, but I have forgiven you. You should be, but I have forgiven you. For example, you say, I'm ashamed of myself. So the person who is listening to you says, you should be, but I have forgiven you. See, you should be ashamed of yourself because you did like a very big mistake, but I have forgiven you. Okay? So yeah, so that was the second situation. All right, let's move on to the third situation. Now this is a formal situation. So how do you apologize formally? I sincerely apologize. I'll tell you a sentence over here. I sincerely apologize for missing the meeting. Okay, so you've missed the meeting and your boss walks in and he asks you like, hey, why did you miss the meeting? So you can say, I sincerely apologize for missing the meeting. All right. So that is one way of formally apologizing. Let's look at it in another way. Please accept my apologies. And the sentence you can say here is, please accept my apologies for the inconvenience caused. All right. So that is the formal situation. Now how do you respond to these situations? Here you can say, thank you for your apology, which just means that you apologize. It's a great thing. I care for you. So that means thank you for your apology. Or you can say, I appreciate your apology. Okay, so those were the different kinds of apology. So if you encounter any of the situations that I've mentioned above, then please do use these phrases instead of I am sorry. All right. Okay, so keep practicing, keep learning, and if you wish to join any of our courses or know more about our courses, please call on the number that is given below. So that's it for today. I'll see you in another session of mine. Till then, bye bye.